Hey everyone, Amazon has introduced its latest generation of Kindle Scribe devices, marking the most significant update to the series since its launch. This lineup includes very first color Kindle Scribe, alongside a refreshed standard model available in versions with or without a front light. With a slimmer, lighter build, faster performance, and new AI-powered features, devices are clearly designed to make reading and writing on e-ink more versatile and productive. The new Kindle Scribe has been refined to just 5.4 millimeters in thickness and weighs 400 grams, making it easier to hold for extended reading or note-taking sessions. The 11-inch glare-free display is the size of a sheet of paper, which makes it particularly suited for full-size documents, annotations, and personal writing. Amazon has also overhauled the display system with miniaturized LEDs positioned near the screen in the front light model, giving more even illumination across the page and allowing for slimmer bezels. Writing feels more natural than before thanks to reduced parallax, a textured glass surface that mimics the feel of paper, and a more responsive display stack. Combined with a quad-core processor, additional memory, and an oxide display for speed and clarity, the device promises much faster page turns and handwriting input, up to 40% quicker than the previous generation. Perhaps the most eye-catching update is the Kindle Scribe ColorSoft. It carries the same overall design but introduces gentle, eye-friendly colors through ColorSoft display technology. Using nitride LEDs, a color filter, and a light guide, it produces subtle yet effective hues for highlighting, annotations, and illustrations. A new rendering engine ensures writing maintains its natural flow while enhancing color reproduction. Despite these upgrades, Amazon has managed to maintain weeks of battery life and the same distraction-free environment that separates the Kindle line from typical tablets. On the software side, Amazon has made a strong push into AI-driven productivity. The Kindle Scribe now comes with an AI-powered notepad, quick notes, and advanced search that can provide summaries of stored content. Cloud integration is also much deeper, with support for Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and exporting directly to OneNote. The pen experience has been expanded with 10 ink colors, 5 highlighter shades, and a shading tool for gradient effects. All notes and documents can be neatly arranged with a workspace system, while integration with Alexa Plus allows users to submit documents by voice. Reading also gains new intelligence with features such as Ask This Book, which answers questions about highlighted text and story so far, which provides spoiler-free summaries of a book's progress. These features are also being rolled out to the Kindle app on iOS, ensuring continuity across devices. Every model in the lineup includes Amazon's magnetically attached pen that never needs charging, reinforcing the convenience factor. Pricing starts at $429 for the version without a front light, $499 for the model with front light, and $629 for the ColorSoft edition. Availability is staggered, with US sales expected later this year and markets like the UK and Germany following in early 2026. With its blend of faster performance, AI-powered tools, and the debut of color e-ink, the new Kindle Scribe lineup positions itself as more than just an e-reader. It blurs the line between a digital notebook and a productivity device while keeping the distraction-free reading focus that Kindle has always promised. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day, and God bless you.